Hi everyone. Now we will see finding the smallest and largest node in a binary subtree. Okay. You know how we are going to create a binary tree, right? If we take a node, in a binary tree, the left subtree values are always less than or equal to the corresponding node, and right subtree values are always present at the right side of the binary subtree. Right? Yes. So with this logic, we can simply find out the smallest node and largest node value. How we are going to find? If this subtree also have to follow the same rule. Right? So with by simple logic, I can say that my smallest value is always present on the left side, complete left side of this corresponding root node. Smallest node, and my largest node is completely present on the right corner to this corresponding plane. This is the largest node. Once you understood this one, then obviously you can understand. See here also, with respect to the root node, the smallest value is 5, right, is present on the left side corner of the tree, and largest value is present on the right side corner. Right, I am saying the right side corner only, not for the left side. Once again, right side corner, the largest value. So what we need to do to implement or to calculate the smallest and largest nodes, we need to traverse to the complete left side until I encounter this particular node address is null. This particular node left address is null. What we need to calculate here? We need to traverse the right side tree until I encountered right link address is null. This concept already we have seen in deleting of a node which is having two children. Right? Okay. So I will write the logic. Finding the smallest or minimum element of a binary search tree, I am going to pass some address here, right? So as I am writing a recursive condition, I need to always take a while loop, and as that address is there, right, you know all this. I don't need to current equal to root. Why I am taking current, you know, while current. While there is just some address, what we need to do? We need to traverse, as it is a minimum, we need to traverse to complete left side every time. Current tends to left link. Every time we need to traverse to the complete left side. Once we traverse to the complete left side, we reach to this particular node. See here, one small explain. 10, 6, 5. This is 100, 200, 300, null, 300, let us take null, 200, let us take some address is there, don't worry. I am defining only minimum binary search tree, right? So what we are going to do, I am simply defining, it's having some root with an address 100, or I am simply taking it as t. Then I will copy this t address to that address. I am going to copy to this one. While positive value, I am going to make to current equal current dash link. What is current value? Now 200. So I will move to current link, and it is going to execute. While 200, as it is going to move to left link, that is 300. So now my current is pointed to this address. Leaf address, right? Then while positive value, current equal current dash left link, then it is now null. It is null. But what we need to do? We need to print this address. Before going to make null. So for that, what I am going to do is I am going to simply make one parent which is equal to current, meaning that you already know. Every time I am going to maintain the previous node. So once again I will explain. I am going to take current as 100, then 100 is a positive value, then my parent is 100. Current equal current is left link, that is 200. 200 is positive value, that 200 is copied to here, then current is left link, 200 is left link is 300. 300 is positive value, 300 value is copied to here. Now 300 is left link is null. When null, it will comes out of black. When it comes out of the black, what you need to understood? You need to understand it as I reach to the leaf node. I reach to the complete left side part of this data. Okay. So when I reach to this one, you all know this particular address. That particular address you can print, right? Data. That is printf. What I am going to write? T tends to data. So this is the logic for to find out the minimum value in the binary search tree. What about simple logic for finding out the maximum value in binary search tree? You can understand. Maximum of binary search tree is I am going to simply make current equal to t while right side address I am going to make I am going to find out the parent element, and every time what I need to do, I need to traverse to right link, that's it. I need to traverse to right link. Once I reach to right link, I am going to simply make a printf t tends to data. Printf t tends to data. I mean, every time I am going to make traverse to right side, right side, right side, right side. Then I encountered a null. Then I will stop my process. Then this node I pointed by the parent node. Then I am going to print that parent node address, parent node data. Okay. Fine. That's it.